She's moving away, she's moving out, she's just getting out the game. I just put her on. Oh, they crush it in the summer. Brings in income, does its job. That's the key. All right, folks, we're 2 for 2 here. We are in South Kingstown right now. Water property, Airbnb, another one. This one's looking to be sold, 39 Maple. Check it out online.
She put the labor into it already, huh?
Yeah, she did. I just put it on. She's selling everything she has. I have another one with her on Rodman, and I have another one with her a lot on Shawmut and Warwick. She's moving away, she's moving out, she's just getting out the game. If you keep them close, it's easier to manage. Cleaning crews, handymen, it's easy. They do well, they crush it in the summer. If you have a really nice one, just Airbnb the whole year.
Gotcha.
She put mini splits everywhere too, so you don't have any baseboard, no electric heat. Right off her, she's out of here. Everything stays. Hot tub works, pressure treated wood, your gas meter's here, your panels in the house, and you got all mini splits. So there's nothing probably but a little hot water tank. And they do have a vapor barrier, which is good, that's important, so you won't get mold or anything. Roof's under 10 years old, brings in income, does its job. Really, the biggest thing is the cleaner. That's the key. She puts it on VRBO and Airbnb, and they would transfer.
Can you find out if she has it?
Yeah, absolutely. You guys talk about it and let him know. Nice to meet you.
All right.
Thank you, Kyle.
No problem, guys. Thank you. No problem. Have a good day.